So yesterday we discussed about the first part of Introduction to Computer. Today we're going to discuss about the electronic data process. What you input into a computer is called a data, and then it must be transformed into an information that is usable. The process that makes data into its useful form is called an electronic data processing, or simply the EDP. It is related to computer, which is computer as an electronic data processing machines performs different operations that convert data into information. The electronic data processing cycle consists of the following: the input, which is gumagamit tayo ng keyboard, mouse. Then we have a process. It involves our computer central processing unit and random access memory. And we have output, which is nakikita natin, for an instance, nakikita natin sa screen kung ano man yung tinatype natin. Diba? Or nakikita natin sa, gumagamit tayo ng printer para makapag-produce ng hard copy as an output device. And also, in this cycle, meron din tayong tinatawag na storage, wherein lahat ng pinaprocess ng ating CPU or Central Processing Unit will be directed and will be stored temporarily sa ating storage device such as our random access memory or yung ating memory module. So lahat yon ng ginagawa natin na nata-transfer or temporarily na-i-store sa ating storage device na memory module. When you say input, it refers to all of the activities associated with recording data and making it available for processing. It represents the process of transforming data into a form that a computer understands. Common example of input device na nakikita kagad natin ay ang keyboard, kung saan tayo nagta-type, mouse, kung saan tayo nag-right click at nag-left click. Ngayong nasa online class tayo, isa rin ito sa mga ginagamit natin. Microphone, para makasagot tayo sa ating mga teachers kapag may recitation. Web camera, para nakikita ang ating kagandahan at kagwapuhan habang nasa online class. Or kapag meron tayong mga performance task na kailangang nakikita tayo. Ang scanner naman, ginagamit naman yan sa mga offices kapag meron silang kailangang makuhang soft copy ng isang, for example, ID. Kailangan mapicturean. Para mas maganda, malinaw ang data, gumagamit sila ng scanner device. At syempre, itong mga input devices natin, ano na yan, paganda ng paganda or marami ng mga innovations and updates sa ating mga input devices. May mga mechanical na, and so on. EDP involves the processing after the data is recorded and converted into an appropriate form. It must be processed. Processing includes different arithmetic and logical operations. So, to process data means to do the classifying, sorting, summarizing, comparing, and other manipulation techniques that converts data into an information. Output. Data processing converts data into information that must be transmitted to persons who need it. The communication function that enables this is called an output. So here in the picture, we have here the, anong tawag dyan? Projector. Yes, correct kayo dyan. So, projector. So, during our face-to-face, no, kapag nagdi-discuss si teacher, or pag meron kayong kailangang panoorin sa multimedia center, gumagamit tayo ng projector para makita ng mas malaki yung mga videos natin. And at the same time, kasama din sa output devices natin ang speaker. Diba? Doon natin naririnig yung mga sounds. Okay? Matugtog na gustong-gusto natin. Meron din tayong printer, which is sa printer naman, dyan naman natin nakikita or dyan naman napoproduce yung tinatawag nating hard copy. Papel na. So, mahahawakan na natin siya, kaya siya hard copy. Kapag nakikita naman natin siya sa screen, which is ang ginagamit natin ay monitor, ang tawag naman dyan ay soft copy. Okay? And syempre platter. Platter, kung familiar kayo sa mga tarpaulin or mga big outputs na piniprint natin, yan ang ginagamit na printer. Platter printer. When it comes to storage, the storage device is the area that contains the processed data and the instructions that must be followed during data processing. It also includes information for future use. So the examples that we have here is the memory module. Tandaan po, sa desktop computer or sa laptop natin, kailangan mataas po ang specs or specification ng ating memory module. Kasi nakakatulong yan para mas mabilis yung processing ng ating computer. Kasi dyan na i-store yung mga temporary process natin eh. According to my research, kapag meron tayong 15 tabs na naka-open sa ating Chrome, nagko-consume yan or possible yan na mag-consume ng 1 gigabyte to 2 gigabytes of our memory. So, medyo malaki-laki rin siya, no? So, kung 2 gig lang ang memory ng computer mo, hindi ka pwede maramihan na pag-open ng Chrome. At least isa o dalawa lang muna ang pwede nating i-navigate dyan. Kapag naman 4 gig ang memory ng iyong computer, medyo smooth na ng konti yan. As of now, kayang-kaya pa. Sa online class natin, pwedeng-pwede pa siya makasabay. Okay. Pero, paano kapag sinabayan mo siya ng games? Okay. Halimbawa, yung usong-uso ngayon na games is yung Dota 2. So, Dota 2, ang minimum na kinakain yan sa memory natin kapag niloload natin siya is 4 gigabyte. Minimum pa lang to ha. So, imagine natin sa scenario na to. Nag-open ka ng umaga ng almost 15 tabs. So, nag-accumulate ka na kagad ng 2 gigabyte of memory. Then, after few hours, nag-decide ka na mag-open naman ng games. Hindi mo na-restart ang PC mo. So, since hindi mo na-restart ang PC mo, mag-a-add lang yon. So, yung 2 gig mo plus 4 gig equals, magkakaroon tayo ng 6 gig na na-consume na natin. So, imagine kung 8 gig ang memory mo, hindi ka problema. Kayang-kaya. Magiging smooth yung laro mo. Pero, syempre, mas suggested natin na kung gagamit ka ng mga ganitong heavy load na games, online games, dapat newly restart yung ating PC. Kasi according to study, kapag nire-restart natin ang PC, ang memory natin ay nagre-refresh din. So, ibig sabihin, kahit marami siyang hinold na memory kaninang umaga, pero kung once na restart mo siya, matatanggal lahat ng mga data na yon kasi temporary storage device lang ang memory natin. Okay? So again, my tip is, kung gagamit kayo or may plano kayong bumili ng computer sa ngayon for your online class at gagamitin nyo rin for college, minimum of 8 gig dapat ang memory ninyo. Kapag ganyan ang ginawa natin, medyo hindi tayo ganang mahihirapan na makipagsabayan sa mga online applications or mga softwares na kailangan nating install sa ating PC at gagamitin para sa work natin. Okay? What are the components of electronic data processing? So we have here the hardware. Hardware is the physical aspect of computers that you can actually touch. So, ito yung unang-unang nakikita natin, nahahawakan natin sa ating computer. The term arose as a way to distinguish the box and the electronic circuitry and components of a computer from the program you put in to make it do things. So, ito yung hardware devices natin. Ito yung nakikita natin sa typical setup ng desktop computer. We have the monitor. So, medyo luma na yung monitor na example natin dyan. We have the system unit. O, minsan nga, di ba? Anong tinatawag niya dito? Right. O, common mistake is CPU daw ang tawag dito. Pero, correction, system unit po ang tawag dyan. We have also the speaker, printer, mouse, and keyboard. Siyempre, kung meron tayong hardware which is nahahawakan natin, nakikita natin, meron din tayong ginagamit na applications or software. Software is the instructions that tell a computer what to do. It comprises the entire set of programs, procedures, and routines associated with the operation of a computer. You can put an entirely new program in the hardware and make it create an entirely new experience for the user. So most of the time, pag meron tayong mga bagong computer, usually wala pa yung software na naka-install. Or kung may software man, basic pa lang naka-install sa kanya. Sometimes we have to purchase or we have to install first the operating system, followed by the um, Microsoft Office, and other applications or other software. So when we say software kasi meron tayong category niyan na application software and system software. Later, di-discuss natin yan. So again, importante po ang software sa computer natin. Kasi without software, hindi po magpa-function, hindi po gagana yung mga devices natin. So laging package po o laging partner po ang hardware at software. Hindi pwedeng bibili ka lang ng computer na wala siyang software, hindi mo siya magagamit. And vice versa. So, ang software natin, usually, yan ay mas mahal compared to hardware device natin kasi kung dadaan tayo sa legalities, lahat ng device, lahat ng mga softwares natin dapat license. So, pag license yan, at marami kang softwares and applications na ginagamit sa iyong computer dahil sa iyong trabaho or dahil sa iyong school requirement siya, medyo malaki ang gagastusin din natin. So the good thing is, ang software, marami-rami naman ang available na free software or freeware online. So, pwede tayo makakuha ng mga free software kahit hindi tayo nagbabayad. Hindi hindi ko sinasabi na kumuha tayo ng mga unlicensed, Ang sinasabi ko lang, meron pong available na mga um, free software na pwede nating pamalit dun sa mga licensed software na available online. Next is we have the peopleware. So, sino ba tong peopleware? So, computers operate using a combination of hardware and software. Therefore, peopleware is sometimes considered a third aspect that takes into account the importance of humans in the computing process. So, tama naman. Um, with a combination of hardware and software, pwede na nating magamit ang ating computer. But syempre, kailangan pa rin ang tinatawag na user. So, tayo yon. Yung user plus the hardware and software equals peopleware, which refers to the people who develops or use the computer system. So, bago yan, ano? Pero typically, kapag sinabi natin peopleware, ang ano na niya, ang mas common na ginagamit na term sa kanya is user. Okay. For your skills practice 1.1.2, you have to research for the following in the internet. You have to research about 5 up-to-date or latest input, output, process, and storage devices available in the market. Mas maganda kung dito sa Philippines available na siya, You have to provide the name of the product, price, picture or image, and features, and where to buy for each gadget found. So, meron tayo dito nakalagay na table. So, ilalagay mo na lang kung anong product name niya, price, image, features, and store or sources na nakuhaan mo ng information na yan. Now, 4 po na table ang makikita natin sa Skills Practice 1.1-2 natin, which is kailangan meron tayong 5 para sa input, output, process, and storage devices. Ang total points po natin para sa activity na to is 20 points. Good luck for your Skills Practice 1.1.2. See you next week for our video conference. Bye-bye!